This is Pico, the easiest to use craft beer brewing appliance ever. Pico unlocks craft brew recipes from breweries all around the world. It allows you to brew them in your home and fits on your kitchen countertop. Craft beer recipes can be found in the brew marketplace on picobrew.com. Select the beer that you would like to brew, and the recipe arrives in a Pico Pack ingredient kit. Each Pico Pack contains hops and grains carefully selected by the brewmasters. Simply insert the Pico Pack, and the Pico automatically recognizes the beer recipe. Then press the button to start the 2-hour brew cycle. Once the fermentation process is complete several days later, enjoy fresh, great-tasting craft beer that you made yourself. Brewmasters put their heart and soul into their beer, crafting the perfect recipes. Pico has partnered with more than 100 breweries from around the world, allowing anyone to brew tasty creations in the comfort of their own home and enjoy them anywhere. Now, instead of being limited to your local grocery store can or bottle assortment, you have access to a truly worldwide market of the best fresh craft beers. Because there's no beer fresher than the beer you just brewed yourself.